Okay, I am going to walk you through the balloon facial muscles activity. Are you ready? Okay, so what if you're absent? Everyone always wants to know that. So if you're absent, or if you do not get 100% on the pre-activity before class, you're not going to be able to do the activity. So instead, you're going to draw one face from the side view because you're going to be able to show all the muscles, and your drawing has to include color, okay? You may work with your table partner, but both of you have to do your own balloon because you need the muscle memory to learn it. So if you struggle, use the image resources in Schoology. I have a lot available for you. Okay, so we're going to start with your materials. What do you need? You need a balloon, okay? You need a piece of string. You need a black Sharpie, and then you need two colors. These are just the two colors I picked. So black, two colors, balloon, and string. Okay, the next step is going to be just with a balloon. So you're going to blow up the balloon and tie it closed. Okay, so let me pause for a second while I blow this up. All right, here we go. So I blew up my balloon, tied it closed. You could see, compared to my head size, there you go. Get a nice little echo. You don't want to blow it up too large so that it pops, but also you don't want it too small because we actually need to put a lot on here, okay? All right, now we're going to tie the string to the balloon. Why are we going to do this? It's so the balloon doesn't escape. This is something I learned over the years. So you're going to want to, as you can see right here, take the string, tie it once, and then just tie it into a knot, okay? And this is just going to attach the balloon. So as you're working on the activity, you can hold the string as you're working, and so your balloon doesn't go floating around the room. Also, this enables you, if you want to leave class and show another teacher, look at this amazing balloon, it's a little easier to carry around on the string. So tying the string to the balloon is the next step. Okay, now with the black Sharpie, you're going to draw ears, eyes, nose, mouth, and chin. Okay, so I'm going to show you. On my balloon, okay, I'm going to put eyes, a nose, a mouth, and a chin. Okay, so there's the front. So we have eyes, nose, mouth, and then chin. Okay, now I need ears. That's the last thing. So I'm going to go on the side here and put, see, an ear on that side. Okay, then I'm going to go around the other side, roughly same spot. Just attempt to. And do it here on that side. Okay, so I have two eyes, two ears, right, all the way around, two ears, mouth, nose, chin. Perfect. Okay, now with the black Sharpie again, you're going to write the name on top because we are not putting any muscles on top. So that's a way to identify which one is yours. So you can see that my name is on the top. Okay. Okay, so now we're going to draw all the muscles. So around the eyes, we have orbicularis, oculi. So notice I'm using the colored muscles here. So I'm going to put the orbicularis oculi around the eyes. Okay. I have orbicularis oris around the mouth. Okay. I have nasalis, like this. And then I have procerus, like this. Okay. Now what else? So I need, up here, I have frontalis. So coming down like this. It's going to help raise our eyebrows. Okay, frontalis. What else do we have? Okay, so we have at the chin, right? We have mentalis. But that's why we kind of label the chin so we can see where that is. All right. And then at the back, right here, we have occipitalis. That's at the, goes to the base of our skull. All right. By the ear right here, we have temporalis. Okay, so we're going to put that on both sides. Oops, it's escaping. That's why we have the string. So temporalis by the ears. Okay. Let's see. So we have alright, so now to try to draw the muscles in the cheek area, because we have a few. Okay. So we have masseter that's going to our jaw. So is coming down like this. Okay. There's masseter. Alright. Is coming down to our jaw. Okay. And then we have the buccinator. Okay. So that is going across like this. And on this side, our buccinator going across like this. Okay. Then we have the zygomaticus, and it's zygomaticus major and minor. But if you think about it, it's going to help us smile, so it needs to attach down here. So it's going to go over this one. So we have like that. Okay, so it's going to go over this one. Okay, the zygomaticus. Alright, so we have buccinator. Yes, that's the one underneath here. We have frontalis. Yes, right here. We have masseter. That's the one helping to lift our jaw. We have mentalis on our chin. We have nasalis right here. We have occipitalis on the back. Orbicularis oculi. Orbicularis oris. We have procerus. Oh, we have sternocleidomastoid, and that is going to go like this to our neck. So it's coming all the way from the back like that. Okay. And going to our neck. So we'll call it sternocleidomastoid. We have temporalis right here. Trapezius. All right, so here we have the occipitalis, and close here is where that trapezius comes up. Okay, like this. Okay. And we have zygomaticus. Those are the angled ones right here. All right, so I just used one color. That's all I needed, actually. All right, and there we go. Okay, so we're going to use our black Sharpie to label according to that key. So buccinator is a 1. Okay, frontalis is 2. Masseter is 3. That's over here. Masseter is 3. We have mentalis is 4. Nasalis is 5. We have occipitalis is 6. That's on the back. We have 7 orbicularis oculi. Right there, both eyes. 8, we have orbicularis oris around the mouth. 9, we have procerus, gives us thinking wrinkles. Sternocleidomastoid is 10, like this one. And then 11 is temporalis, that was by our ears. So let's label both of those. And 12 is trapezius. That came back by the back. And then zygomaticus is 13. So that's that angled one right here. There we go, 13. And there you have your labeled facial muscles on your balloon. Okay, you're going to take 4 pictures. So one is going to be from the front view, so seeing those eyeballs. Then you're going to take top, side, as well as back, so that you should be able to see all the muscles after you take all the pictures. Okay, you're going to return the Sharpies, that's obvious. Okay, you're not returning the balloon or the string, that's yours. Okay, and then what I recommend, waiting until the Sharpie dries a little bit, but cutting a hole right at the bottom. So taking this, using a pair of scissors, cutting a little hole right here, deflate it. It'll give you like a little study tool. It's a little mini version of it. But you don't have to do that right away. You can keep it inflated for as long as you want. Okay, you could leave class with it inflated. But you, just so you know, you can keep it as a study tool. It will help you with the facial muscles, so you could quiz yourself. All right, so then your assignment, you're going to open the template, you're going to put your name on the first slide, put your pictures on the correct slides, download it as a PDF, and then submit. So then I have 1 document instead of 4 separate photos. And then you are going to complete the balloon post activity. And this is a puzzle piece that is self-grading. Okay, so you have the pre-activity, you have to submit the pictures as a PDF from a template, and then you have the post activity. And that's it.